Has your furnace been acting up? Don't wait until it breaks down. Do something about it now, before an emergency forces your hand. Furnace repair isn't just about fixing something that broke. It's about safety, efficiency, and peace of mind. At Pioneer Plumbing and Heating, we specialize in fast, reliable furnace service that gets your home back to warm, quickly and efficiently. Our heating professionals diagnose issues on the spot, explain your options clearly, and deliver expert furnace repair using quality parts and tools. Whether it's a faulty igniter, failing motor, or something electrical, we've seen it all and fixed it all. We don't just restore heat, we restore trust in your furnace. When someone calls us because the furnace has stopped working, we check it out, repair what needs to be fixed, and do a full system tune-up. For future reference, regular furnace maintenance can extend the life of your heating system, lower energy bills, and prevent costly emergencies. And with Pioneer, it's easier than ever. Stay warm, stay safe. Call Pioneer Plumbing and Heating today, or visit www.pioneerplumbing.com to schedule a furnace service call or furnace repair work if that is what's needed. Your comfort is our priority.